How to take a screenshot on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can take a screenshot on your iPhone. So there is basically one way on how you can take a screenshot on your iPhone. That is by simply long press on the volume up button and the power button at the same time. So all you have to do is press both of these buttons simultaneously, and then it'll take a screenshot. Now the screenshot's thumbnail will be provided on the bottom left corner of your screen, so simply tap on it to expand it. Now once you've done that, you'll be provided with basically various options on what you can do to this screenshot. So on the bottom side you can see different tools such as the pencil, marker, highlighter, eraser, etc. Now you can simply draw things on your screenshot, and if you want you can undo by tapping this button right over here. And after that, if you want, you can share this screenshot by simply tapping the share option, and then you have various options on how you can share this screenshot. And finally, if you tap on the option done, you will be provided with basically 5 different options. You can either save this screenshot to your photos, you can save it to your files. If you want, you can also save it to your quick notes. And finally, if you want, you can simply copy and delete this screenshot so that it won't be saved to your file. And finally, delete screenshot. So that was basically how you take a screenshot on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.